Napoli boss Maurizio Sarri Napoli may have replaced Maurizio Sarri with Carlo Ancelotti as their new manager, but it looks like Chelsea will face another stumbling block in the pursuit of the former Napoli boss. According to a report by The Sun, the Italians will not let him leave for a mere £3.5 million. The report claims that the Naples-based outfit are demanding the full release clause of £7 million even though they have appointed Ancelotti as Sarri's successor. Now, one cannot deny Sarri's incredible work with Napoli over the course of the recent season. He turned them into true title contenders, and they were close to ending Juventus' dominance in the Italian top flight. Unfortunately, their fight lost momentum as the season entered the final stages. However, they still finished as the runners-up, and surely, a manager like Sarri would be able to work wonders with a team like Chelsea. Hence, our interest in him is justified, but it remains to be seen if Roman Abramovich is willing to spend £7 million. Antonio Conte. The Sun also states that all is not well between Antonio Conte and Abramovich. The duo reportedly held a meeting to come to a conclusion about the future, but it looks like the fiery Italian's time at Stamford Bridge is coming to an end this summer. One might call it unfair to sack Conte, especially since he guided us to a scintillating Premier League win in his first season, but over the years, it is not uncommon to see managers exit Chelsea. For now, one can only hope that Abramovich agrees to pay £7 million to bring Sarri to London. From what we have seen this season, he could be the ideal choice to restore our glory next term.